Hi, so this is the knotless box braid. See how it look inside. You can see very neat, very neat. Is glueless. You don't need glue to put this on. Although I'm not putting on a cornrow, but let's use my this wig cap and see how it looks. But if it doesn't look okay, um I'm going to do a very fast cornrow. Let's just try it and see how it looks. I'm using a black, but if you have a brown, you can use your brown. Okay. So just watch how I put on my knotless. I'm not going to remove the excess net here because I would like my customer to do that herself. Oh wow. This is cute. Okay, you don't really need, but you need a cornrow. You need a cornrow. You know why? This is beautiful, but you still need a cornrow to avoid this. I don't know if you can see what I mean. To avoid the back getting, but it's still looking, it's still perfect. If you're in a hurry, to go to work or to, go to your party or whatever, it's still perfect. Oh, this is cute. So you can use your what do they call this? I've forgotten. Let me bring it and show you. Yes, you can use your hair wax. This is what I use, but when you go to the market, they have different brands. So you can use it to style your baby hair. Yeah. I'm looking so cute, huh? Hey. Hey. This is beautiful. Please ignore my earring. So I'm going to advise, if you have someone who can make a cornrow for you, like in Nigeria we'll call it all back, like weaving all back. If you have someone who can do that for you, please do it. To make here is looking like Dunlop. You just need here to slip, to go down. I don't know, I'm sure you understand what I mean. So you want to rock your braided wigs. If you want to rock your braided wigs so perfectly, you just need a very smooth cornrow. Don't make it too big. Make it, you can do it a medium size or tiny to make your braided wig beautiful. You can't put it on a full hair. It's going to go nice if you're packing it, but if you're going to make styles, and if you're going to be making styles on it, like you want to style it, you can style it anyhow you want. You can style it anyhow you want. You need a cornrow so it will not look too big at the back, but you can style it anyhow you want. My braided wig is always on fleek. Love you guys. See you next time. Bye.